Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. I want to thank everyone for supporting my small business. I love watching all of the videos of everyone using the dewdrops. I do currently have an ongoing challenge where if you tag me at DoubleClick Connect and show a project using my dewdrops or how you store your dewdrop, you are entered into a giveaway to win a baggie of dewdrops. I am getting ready to clear out some of my inventory to make room for the new spring and summer colors that will be coming out soon. These were limited editions and this is the last of my limited edition colors. Before I make my new ones, I wanted to go ahead and clear these out. These packages are still $5 a pack. I do ship for free. It is US only shipping due to the high cost of shipping. I prefer Zelle or PayPal, and I know some of my regulars do send me $5 in cash. I appreciate you all so very much in supporting my small business. Let's go ahead and go through the ones that I have available. If you are interested, send me a message either in the comments, via email, or you can just send me a direct message on Instagram on which color and number you are interested in. The HOHOHO, and that was the silver. I have 5 of these left. And they all do come with a sample of other colors. This is the HOHOHO Silver, and I have 5 of those. And then we have the HOHOHO Gold, and there's also 5 of those. So this is the gold color, and then that's the silver. The Grinch green, the Snowball white, and the Rudolph red are the same. So we have 5 of those. I have 1 package of all gold. I have 1 package of all silver. I have 2 packages of half gold, half silver. I have 2 of the Snowball. I have a half silver and a half Snowball. And then I also have a half gold and half Snowball. These are not listed in my Etsy shop. I believe I have only my standard colors and they will be removed from Etsy. If you prefer to order it through Etsy, please leave me a comment and I will set you up with a specific listing. So once again, they are $5. I do ship for free in the US only. These are last call. That means I won't be recreating these identical colors. The HOHO Silver, we have 5. The HOHOHO Golds, we have 5. We have 1 all gold, 1 all silver, 2 half and half gold and silver, 2 of the Snowball, 1 half gold, half Snowball, and 1 half silver, half Snowball. You can make payment via Zelle or PayPal or cash. And this is going to make room for some new colors for the spring and summer. If you're interested, please leave me a comment down below or send me an email or direct message me on Instagram. I thank you all so much for your support. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day. Bye, guys.